Hi, it's Michelle from the Salty Spirit. So today we're going to learn how to make these beautiful decorative ornament hooks with basically just wire. And I'm going to show you how to do one without a bead and one with a bead. And what you're going to need for this project is either 16 gauge or 18 gauge wire. You don't want to go above 18 because then it'll be too thin. And you don't want to go below 16 because then it will be too thick to work with. Your color of choice, I'm going to use gold. You can use any color at all. The tools that you're going to need are wire cutters, round nose pliers, and these nylon pliers. This is not a must. It's really just used to harden the wire. I'll show you that, of course, in the video. But again, it's not totally necessary. They just have these little coverings of like nylon and plastic that help to harden the wire. The other tool that you may or may not need, these are called bail makers, and this is what would actually kind of make the loop in the hook. But I don't use this because this particular one is not big enough for the size hook that I want to make, the space within the hook. See, it's just too. So what I use for this project is a Sharpie. So you don't have to have the tool. You could use anything that is around the house that has that size girth. Okay, and of course your choice of bead, and that would be it. So let's get started. Okay, so we have our about 5.5 inch piece of wire, and we have our nylon pliers, which has that little plastic rubbery, and we are going to straighten the wire and harden it. Now, we don't want to do this too many times. Just pinch it and pull it through a few times on each side. So that makes it basically straight and hardens it. Okay, so it's nice and firm. Then we're going to take our, get that a little bit closer. We're going to take our needle nose pliers and pinch near the tip, and you're just going to roll it around, creating a small little loop. Okay, like so. So, okay, so the Sharpie. Now, you want to place the Sharpie down on the surface, on the table, and take your piece of wire where you want to make that loop. So that little loop should be facing up, and then you're going to press it down just to start that loop. See how there's a little bend there? Now you can pick up the Sharpie and continue. Hold on to that little loop and then wrap it around the Sharpie. See how I have it etched in there in that little space between the cap and the rest of the pen? That helps to hold it. Okay, these are just little tips that you can use rather than having all these other tools. So see how much bigger it is? It just wouldn't have worked. Okay, so that's a perfect little size hook. Now we're going to go on to the other side, and we're going to do the same thing. Let me just kind of reposition that there. Sometimes things get out of whack, and you can just put them right back to where they were with your tools. So again, now, no, wait, I'm not using the Sharpie yet. I'm going to take my round nose pliers, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to make that little loop, tip it, and curl. Okay, now we're going to press it down. Get it into that little crevice there. That helps. Doesn't have to have a crevice, but it does help. Start it, get that bend, and now continue picking it up, wrapping it around, holding it in place. And remember, if things kind of get bent out of shape, you can always put them back. That's the beauty of wire. Okay, so kind of reposition it a little bit, and that is such a pretty simple ornament hook wire. And now you're going to take your nylon pliers, and you're going to just see how I'm just squeezing. That again is just strengthening the wire. It's just reinforcing it, and it really does work. So I'm just little pressy presses all around, and it's really sturdy. Okay, so now we're going to do a hook with a bead. in the middle of it, a bead or two. But for this one, we're just going to do one little like starfish bead. So here I go again. I'm going to harden my wire, taking the nylon pliers. And we're going to start again, just like we did before. Pinch the tip, curl to make that little loop. Okay, and then I'm going to take my handy dandy Sharpie. Okay, again, it's up to you what size you want that hook to be. And you're going to place the Sharpie down, do exactly like we did before, press it just to start with that little bend there, because that will make it a little bit easier when you then pick up the Sharpie or whatever you might have, and continue to wrap it around as much as you can. So almost closing it, and then slide it off. Okay, so now what you're going to do is, before you place the bead on it, you're going to take your pliers and your round nose pliers, and you're going to pinch right above that little hook and give it a bend. Nothing too crazy, just a little bend. And you will see why. Now you're going to take your bead of choice, slide it on, and you'll see that now that bend has created a little stopper. So otherwise it would continue on around the hook, and we don't want that. So it stops there. Now you want to do the same thing above, but in the opposite direction. Give it a little bend, so this way the bead is trapped there. Okay, we may have to reinforce it after it's done. So now we continue with the Sharpie. Since the bead is there, it makes it easier to start that top loop. So I just hang on to the bead, wrap the wire around. Okay, let's see, I could probably get it a little bit more, so let me redo it. Press it in there, really press it. Okay, and again, we can always fix it up at the end. Okay, that's good. So now we have that extra tail. We want to snip it off. Don't forget, we need to leave the room for that little ending loop. Okay, round nose pliers, right at the tip, curling it. Like so. And then kind of just reposition, give it a little wiggle and bend. Let me just reinforce that little bend there, just in case it moves a little too much. But the bead will spin, and that's fine. So let me give it a little pinch, bend, and there you have it. I mean, that's really cute. So you're going to harden the wire again, like we did the last time. Just take your nylon covered pliers and just press, press, press all around, giving it that extra little strength. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching.